This video is going to show you how to add a key to a fob for an Audi or a Volkswagen product. This is a 98 Audi that I bought. It had no keyless entry. It came with these valet keys and I needed to see about putting keyless entry into it. So I went to eBay and bought Audi A6 keys from a 2001 A6. When I got the keys in, I took the whole thing apart and saw that one little pin holds the main key into the fob. So I thought, well, maybe if I could remove the valet key from its plastic, I could Dremel it down and get it to go in to the fob. So the first step is, of course, removing the plastic from the valet key. Once you get the halves separated, you want to get the transponder out if your car needs a transponder. Mine did, but I went ahead and got it out anyway. Got the Dremel and removed most of the plastic, then kind of bent it back and forth and popped the key out. And that's what the key looks like outside of the valet key. Once I had it out, I laid the old key on top of the valet key and kind of cut a line and then used the Dremel to get most of the metal out of the way. Then once it got down within 50 thousandths, I slowly got my files and brought it into the exact size of the original key that came out of the fob. And it took a lot of time doing this so that I wouldn't go too fast and make it too small where it'd be wobbly inside the fob. Then you have to cut the notch out on the top side as you see here in these pictures. And same thing, use the Dremel, got most of the metal out of the way, and then slowly brought the key within specs. I then put the key inside the housing numerous times, eventually taking enough metal away from the thicker spots to where it finally slid all the way in. The next step you have to do, and here's the original key, and then the one that I made, and looking pretty good. Then you have to cut the shoulders off, or trim them down really with a file, so that they kind of are the same size. Otherwise, they don't fit inside the plastic of the fob itself. So once you have those side pieces down, then you need to get the pin in. Take a little marker or something and mark you a dot where the pin goes. Then take your file and slowly bring it down to the same depth as the original key. And then the pin will have a place to live. Then it's time to go ahead and put the pin in and hammer it all in. And then once you got the pin in, the key is nice and solid, it's time to take the old transponder out of the original fob and put the transponder out of your valet key in. And then here is everything all assembled, and you put the plate on, and I think you rotate it counterclockwise. I can't remember now. There's other videos on how to do that. And here's the key put in, and I did both of my valet keys because my car came with two, and this is what the end product looked like. And now I have two fobs for $9 basically. Thanks for watching.